Are you a small YouTube channel and you're struggling to make sure that you monetize your YouTube channel? And you are really working so hard doing everything to make sure that you monetize your channel and things seem not to be working. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple way to monetize your YouTube channel using ChatGPT. A lot of creators or a lot of people use ChatGPT the basic way and they don't maximize the full use of it. So I'm going to share with you how you can exploit or use ChatGPT the smartest way in order to optimize your YouTube channel so that you can hit the monetization threshold so fast. So what are the monetization threshold for YouTube? You have to hit 1,000 subscriber and you also have to hit the 4,000 watch hours. So if you are really struggling with that and if you haven't reached that threshold, watch this video till the end, because after watching this video, this could be your breakthrough and you can monetize your YouTube channel in a period of less than 4 weeks. Yeah, you heard me, less than 4 weeks. So stick around because I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process of how you can do that. So if you are really looking forward to watching this video and see how I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel using ChatGPT, like this video and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss any growth updates like this ones coming from our YouTube channel. And you can also share this video with other creators so that they could also benefit from it. So let me take you straight into it. A lot of people use ChatGPT the basic way, just to write scripts and generate ideas. But I'm going to share with you how you can use it to optimize your YouTube channel. A lot of people miss out on a lot of things on their YouTube channels because they haven't optimized their YouTube channels yet. And in this video, you will see how you can flow with this tool and make sure that your content reaches the broader audience so that you can monetize your channel so fast. So let me take you straight into it. So I'm going to use this YouTube channel. This is my new YouTube channel. I'm going to use it to demonstrate to you how I implemented this strategy in this new channel, and it's almost getting monetized. Now let me take you to my YouTube Studio dashboard and show you how to do that. So let's go to our Chrome browser because that's the browser that I'm using. Don't go to your YouTube Studio app. Just go to your web version YouTube Studio. So let me tap on my Chrome browser. So it has already taken me to my YouTube Studio. So this is the new channel that I'm showing you. This channel is barely 3 weeks old. So let me show you what to do first. So let's go to our customization icon, this icon right here. Tap on it. Then you see here, go to description. So this is the description of this new channel. You see? So I'm going to share with you how you can come up with the description of your channel. A lot of creators always leave this description space blank and they don't fill anything here. This YouTube gives you an opportunity to optimize your channel using this space here. So how do you optimize your channel description? This is not a video description, but your channel description. What your channel is all about and what your channel does. So we are going to optimize our YouTube channel so that the YouTube ranking system or recommendation system knows where to feature or where to rank our videos. So let me show you how to go about it. So let me just minimize it. Then go to ChatGPT. Then say that channel is about Kenyan politics and I do commentary videos on that YouTube channel. So this is what we are going to do to our channel description. So I'm just going to demonstrate to you how I went about it and made sure that that channel picked so fast. And I'll also share with you the views that I get in that channel. And can you just imagine, just the second video that I dropped on that channel surpassed the 1,000 views. And the third video also surpassed the 2,000 views. And it's just a new channel and it had barely 5 subscribers when I dropped the first and the second videos. So let me show you how to optimize the channel description. So this is what I did. I asked ChatGPT like this: write for me a channel description fully optimized with searchable keywords. Then mention what your channel is all about. I do commentary videos on politics and events happening in Kenya. So this is our prompt for our description generation. So let's just enter it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to not include the hashtags because I don't want to include the hashtags. Let it just be plain without the hashtags because this is not a video description but a channel description. Then I'll read first what this description says. So let me say exclude hashtags. So this channel name is Talk Drop. That's the name of my YouTube channel. So ChatGPT could recall because I had already done this one before. So I was just demonstrating to you what I did to my channel description to optimize my channel. So this is what my channel description reads. You see? So I'm just going to read for you the searchable keywords in this channel description. So let's see them. What you'll find in this channel: political analysis of events in Kenya, honest commentary on government actions, updates on presidential decisions and public policies, reactions to political scandals and corruption cases, deep dives into trending national debates and public protests, coverage of elections, campaigns and parliamentary affairs, insight into social movements and citizen voices. You see how my channel is optimized with all the keywords that you could expect in what this channel is all about. So what you do next is to copy all this, then paste in your channel description. So I don't want to edit what I had already done because this was just for the demonstration purpose. So you copy this one here, this channel description from ChatGPT, then paste it on your this channel description space here. You see? So after doing that, you publish. Because I didn't update it, so it can't highlight publish. You see, when you add something like this, you see, you can hit publish, but I don't want to publish it because the this channel description is already optimized. So the next thing that you want to do to make sure that your channel is optimized for better performance and YouTube recommendation is to go to your channel settings. Tap on the settings icon, then go to channel. So this is what you do next. You see, go to your basic information, then channel keywords. So this helps put your content into its right context by YouTube. So this is what I did. I also asked ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to also write for me 500 characters channel tags and keywords, and include bigger channels in my niche. Let's say two or three of them. Then enter. So these are the channel tags. They are already in a copy code. So you just copy and paste. So they are basically the same as the ones that are already in my keywords. So let me show you. Go back to our channel dashboard. So these are my channel keywords: Kenya news, trending in Kenya, Kenya viral stories, Kenya protest videos, Kenya commentary channel, youth issues in Kenya, political commentary Kenya. You see, I can't read all of them, but as you can see, we also have other brand tags here, like commentator 254. This is a channel. Iko Nini podcast is also another channel, and Plug TV is also another channel. So whenever those channels drop their videos, there are high chances of my videos being suggested alongside their videos. That's why I've included their channel names here in my channel keywords. So it's always important to do that so that YouTube can also rank your videos among other competitors in your niche. So let me show you how this channel has been performing over the last 2 weeks, because as I have told you, this channel is so new and it's performing extremely well. And I haven't, in my previous or in my first channel, it took me like more than 20 videos before I could even reach 1,000 views in a single video. But this channel here, what I implemented really helped me. My second video hit 1,000 plus views, and my third video hit 2,000 plus views. Let me show you that. Let me just take you to my basic, to my normal. There, tap on it. So let me switch the channel. You see, this is my normal YouTube studio. So let me show you. I have already dropped 5 videos in this channel, 6 videos. So this is my second video here, and you can see it has 1.1k views, and the third video has 2.1k views. And this shows you how this strategy is working, because it's not easy to get past even 500 views when you have an extremely new channel that is built from scratch. So that shows you how this strategy is working. So always use ChatGPT to optimize your YouTube channel so that it can get the YouTube recommendations. And by doing that, you will monetize your channel so fast within a record time, let's say of 3, 4, or 5 weeks maximum. So that's the way I'm anticipating to monetize this channel in less than 2 months, because I don't post here regularly. I just post like once in a week. But if I had been posting like daily, I could monetize this channel within a period of just 3 weeks, owing to this kind of performance here. So also use ChatGPT the smart way, not just for script writing and basic idea generation. Use it to optimize your YouTube channel so that you can monetize it fast. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and you can also share it with other creators so that they could also benefit from it. And if you are really serious about growing your YouTube channel so fast and getting it monetized, please do subscribe to this channel so that you never miss any updates that we drop on YouTube growth strategies and hacks. And put that notification bell on so that any other time I drop a video, YouTube gives you an automatic notification. See you in my coming video.